On-site safety is the #1 issue at all construction sites around the world. Although visibility from the driver's seat has been improved in rollers, there has been a need for a brake system to eliminate accidents due to human error, especially while reversing. To save the lives of workers, an automatic emergency brake system was developed and named Guardman. A 3D LiDAR sensor is used to detect workers behind rollers. The distance between workers and the roller is minimized by controlling the timing of braking to maximize the workability of the roller. A display on the dashboard ensures good rear vision, and warning signs with voice messages are triggered before and after braking. During braking, it is designed so that the drums and/or tires will not lock in order to avoid skidding and damage to the pavement surface. Moreover, rolling with zero curb clearance is made possible by setting the detection width behind the roller so that it is the same as the compaction width of the roller. The system has been well received and proven effective by paving contractors in Japan. So Sakai rollers with the automatic brake system will be launched on the global market in the near future.